This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Today we have a Whirlpool Duet washing machine with an F-21 error and an inability to drain. This is usually pretty easy to fix, so it's good to have it unplugged, and then you're going to remove two little screws here from the bottom panel. There might actually be 3 screws depending on how it's set up. From the factory there should be 3 screws, and we're going to be spinning off this little dial here in front of the drain pump. It's called a coin trap, and there might be something caught in there. I'm also feeling this rubber pipe that comes from the tub down to the drain pump to see if I can feel if there's anything caught in there. There should be like a hard feeling at the top because there's a big plastic ball, but then it should be flexible below. I'm checking to make sure that the wire connection to the drain motor is on there nice and tight, and that's just to confirm that there's nothing wrong with the drain motor itself. So there may be something caught in the coin trap. I'm going to take the panel here and I'm going to put it underneath and then unloosen this dial by turning it lefty-loosey. That's going to let some water come out slowly. You may want to let some water come out and then drain this pan, tighten it back up, tighten up this dial again, righty-tighty, and then drain the pan and do that numerous times until all the water is out. So in this case there wasn't that much water in there, and when I pulled it out I got a little bit of water came out, but I can see in the coin trap that there's something caught in there, and there's supposed to be maybe a couple of pennies or paperclip in there, but we got some kind of a clothes item. So some small item here, I think it's a pair of maybe children's socks, was able to creep through between the spin basket and the tub and got pulled down into the drain, and that's the reason why it couldn't get rid of the water fast enough. So we got rid of that water, we got rid of that obstacle, these little socks right here. We got the coin trap spun back on nice and tight, and then we're just putting the bottom panel back on, and we're putting the little screws back here at the very bottom. And then this machine will be good as new. So pretty quick and easy procedure, pretty common. We were getting the F-21 error. I think we also got one called the F-33 and also a SUDS error. These are all pertaining to poor drain quality, especially the F-21. So I hope that's been helpful to you and gets your machine going again. Should be pretty easy. Thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe.